Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix FC26 unable to connect to EA servers. So without further ado, let's get started. First I suggest to do here is to open up your phone or your browser, and then you need to go to basically you just need to write FC26 down detector and look if there is no reports that servers are down. If the servers are down, you just need to wait, because if I go to FC basically helpea.com, EA server status, you can see that FC26 here is scheduled maintenance. So basically the problem on EA end, so you just need to wait. If it's not the case, if the servers are working perfectly fine, I will show you what you need to do next. First of all, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. Next thing, what you need to do here, you need to go to your network connection. Also, you can do this on PS5 or Xbox. You need to find your internet connection, and then you need to go to properties, Internet Protocol version 4, and change your DNS server addresses. You can try use the following DNS server address and write 1.1.1.1 and on alternate 1.0.0.1. If this do not work, then you can try 8.8.8.8, and on alternates you need to write 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Look if you're still having this problem. If this do not work, then open up CMD or command prompt. Make sure to open as admin, and you need to put few commands. First one is ipconfig/flash DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. Then what you need to do here is to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, reset network, and reset your network, and restart your computer or console, and it should work. So that's pretty much it.